All right, geometry students, we're going to look at Unit 1, Lesson 5. This is the lesson Construction Techniques 3. This is the third lesson focusing on this. And our focus is going to be angle bisectors. So in the past, we focused on perpendicular bisectors. Here we're going to look at how to take an angle and cut it into two equal size angles. So the lesson goals are: I can construct a line that is perpendicular to a given line through a point on the line. This is going to use our understanding of perpendicular bisectors. And then that's going to build into: I can construct an angle bisector. All right, our vocabulary and our review. So circle, remember, is all the points that are equal distance from the center point, making a circle. Our conjecture is our hypothesis of what we're trying to prove or disprove. And something that's inscribed is a shape that's inside another shape. A line segment is a straight line with two endpoints. Parallel is talking about two lines that will never cross or intersect. Perpendicular bisector is when we have a segment that gets cut into two equal parts, and the line that cuts them into those parts makes a right angle. Our angle bisector is our new one. It's a line through the vertex of an angle, dividing it into two equal angles. So we would be taking, say, a 100-degree angle and creating a line that turns it into two 50-degree angles. All right, so your warm-up that I need you to try and do your best on, and then bring to school tomorrow so that we can talk and kind of build on, is this. So points A and B are centers of circles with radius AB. So we have circle A here with center A, and the radius is AB going around. And then we have circle B here. Here's our center B with radius, again, AB, and the circle going around. As these two circles are drawn, we get point E and F where the two circles intersect. So what we want to do is we want to compare the distance of EA, so the distance here, E to A, to EB, so the distance from E to B. So compare them. What do you think about them? Kind of explain why you came to that conclusion. All right, then we want to do the same thing with FA and FB. Kind of compare them and then explain how you came to whatever conclusion you came to. All right, and then lastly, I want you to kind of mock this up and draw EF. So draw from E to F and write a conjecture about the relationship between EF and AB. What do you think the connection between those two segments will be? All right, bring your work tomorrow and we'll kind of build off of that. Thanks.